Hi, parents. My name is Jenny Lee. I'm Psychology and Empowerment Specialist for Youth. Welcome to the Parenting Compass, where we help you navigate the joys and challenges of raising kids in today's digital world. Today, we're focusing on how to monitor your child's internet usage. The internet is a wonderful tool, but it can also be risky. From inappropriate content to online predators, there are dangers every parent should know about. Thankfully, there are ways to stay informed about what your child is doing online while fostering trust and responsibility. In this video, I'll share 5 tips to monitor your child's internet usage effectively. Let's get started. The internet plays a big role in kids' lives today. Research by Common Sense Media shows that children aged 8 to 12 spend an average of 5 hours online daily, and teenagers spend up to 8 hours. They use it for social media, gaming, streaming videos, and even schoolwork. While the internet offers amazing opportunities for learning and fun, it also exposes kids to risks. A study by CyberSafe Kids found that 40% of kids experience cyberbullying. 1 in 5 is approached inappropriately by a stranger, and 70% hide their online activity from their parents. As parents, we don't want to isolate our kids from technology, but we do need to guide them and ensure they're safe. Let's look at 5 practical tips to monitor your child's internet usage without breaking their trust. Tip 1. Set up parental controls. Parental controls are your first line of defense when it comes to monitoring your child's internet usage. These tools are available on most devices, apps, and internet routers. They allow you to block inappropriate websites, set screen time limits, and even monitor activity. For example, Google Family Link lets you approve app downloads, track how much time your child spends online, and set time limits. Similarly, apps like Qustodio and Bark give you detailed insights into your child's browsing history and social media activity. How to use it? Start by setting filters for age-appropriate content. For younger children, block websites that are not designed for kids. For older children, use monitoring tools to check which apps they're using and how much time they spend online. Challenge. Some parents feel overwhelmed by technology. If that's the case, start small. Use built-in parental controls on your child's device and gradually explore more advanced apps as you become comfortable. Tip 2. Create a safe internet environment. A safe internet environment starts with where and how your child uses the internet. Designate common areas like the living room or kitchen as the only places where internet use is allowed. Avoid letting your child use devices in their bedroom, especially at night. This tip is backed by research from the Journal of Pediatrics, which found that children who use devices in shared spaces are less likely to access inappropriate content or engage in risky behavior online. How to implement it? Place computers and tablets in areas where you can easily glance at the screen. Set a rule that smartphones must be handed in before bedtime. This not only helps with monitoring but also improves sleep quality. Challenge. Older kids might argue for more privacy. To address this, explain that shared spaces are about safety, not mistrust. Assure them they can still enjoy privacy in other areas of life, but online safety is a family priority. Tip 3. Have open conversations about internet use. One of the best ways to monitor your child's internet usage is to talk to them about it. Ask them about the websites they visit, the apps they use, and who they interact with online. Make these conversations regular and judgment-free. A 2024 study by Cyber Psychology and Behavior Journal found that kids who have open communication with their parents about internet use are 50% less likely to hide their online activity. How to start? Use specific questions like, "What's your favorite game right now?" Or, "Did you learn anything interesting online today?" Show genuine interest in their digital world. Challenge. If your child seems defensive or unwilling to talk, try sharing your own experiences with technology. This creates a two-way conversation and makes them more comfortable opening up. Tip 4. Monitor social media and gaming platforms. Social media and gaming platforms are 2 of the most popular online spaces for kids, but they can also be risky. Strangers, cyberbullying, and inappropriate content are common concerns on platforms like TikTok, Instagram, and online multiplayer games. Start by ensuring your child's accounts are set to private. Teach them to only accept friend requests from people they know in real life. If possible, follow or connect with them on social media so you can see their activity. For gaming, check who they're playing with and whether the games have chat features. Many gaming platforms like Roblox and Fortnite allow you to limit chat options or block certain players. Challenge: some parents feel this might invade their child's privacy. To address this, explain that your role is to guide and protect them, not to spy. Let them know you trust them but need to ensure their safety. Tip 5. Use apps that encourage transparency. There are apps designed to help families create healthy digital habits together. Apps like Our Pact and Screen Time allow both parents and kids to set goals, track usage, and manage time spent online. These apps focus on collaboration rather than control. For example, you can set a family rule of no screens during dinner and use the app to enforce it. Kids can see how much time they've spent on devices and even suggest changes to the rules. How it helps: when kids feel involved in the process, they're more likely to follow the rules. Transparency builds trust and helps them develop responsible digital habits. Challenge: kids might resist at first, especially if they're not used to limits. Be patient and consistent. Explain that these tools are meant to help the whole family, not just them. To recap, here are the 5 tips to monitor your child's internet usage. 1. Set up parental controls to filter and monitor activity. 2. Create a safe internet environment by keeping devices in shared spaces. 3. Have open conversations about what your child does online. 4. Monitor social media and gaming platforms for risks. 5. Use apps that encourage transparency and healthy habits. Remember, monitoring your child's internet usage isn't about spying or controlling. It's about keeping them safe while teaching them to use the internet responsibly. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with other parents. Together, we can help our kids navigate the digital world safely. Thank you for watching the Parenting Compass. See you next time.